Hey you guys, this is just a quick video of me just checking in. I got another little shipment of pearls and rhinestones this time, and I just wanted to let you guys know what I'll have coming. I'll eventually have some links, and eventually I'll have my own website coming up, but I do sell the rhinestones on eBay. So I do have these gold. I also have a multi-pack of gold that has multiple sizes in it that I showed you all last time on my last video. But I really do like this gold. There's something about these gold pearls, and this comes 2,000 in a bag, and this is an 8mm. And again, pearls do cost more than rhinestones, and you get less. Then I wanted to try these out because these are just so pretty. These are 6mm, and they are like an ombre. They have like this bluish and purplish effect. So I'm really excited. I cannot wait to use these, especially pairing them with some rhinestones. I think that'd be really cute as well. I have some purple 5mm rhinestones. So this is the purple. And I like the fact that it comes in this heat sealed bag, but they also put it in an extra Ziploc bag as well, which is great because, you know, in travel, sometimes the box can get slammed and bammed, and you don't want to have rhinestones and pearls all over your box of your inventory. So I do like that. Now, this is my first time having orange, so I'm really excited about this orange. These are resin 5mm rhinestones. I have some more pearls. These are silver, and these are 6mm. And I have some white 6mm, and those 6mm pearls, they come 5,000 in the bag. Now I'm really excited about these. Let me go ahead and open this up a little bit so you can kind of see better. Now you can see a little, okay, the clarity is a lot better because this little bag is a little cloudy. These are gold, and the back of them are like just clear. Now, I really like these gold pearls. I have more pearls here as well. But I'm really excited about using these gold rhinestones. They're like gold plated, so I guess they're like in the jelly family. And they are 5mm. I have some more of the 8mm silver pearls, because I do want to continue to put together some mixes. So that's why I thought it was just crucial to have as many different type of colors as pearls as possible. I'm excited about this olive green pearl. And this is I believe this is the 8mm size pearl. Then I have some AB holographic effect pearls in 8mm. I have some Sapphire 5mm rhinestones. Again, jelly are my favorite, but I do still like the plain ones. They all serve their purpose. Okay, so you can see the clarity a little bit better when I open up this Ziploc bag. These are 5mm Sapphire. I really do like these as well. Now, these are Zircon Blue 5mm. These do pretty well. These are a pretty popular color for me. I love turquoise. So, I decided to also get it in a 3mm. So, this is a 3mm Zircon Blue. And I also got it in a 4mm as well. So, the 4mm bag has 50,000 rhinestones in it. The 3mm bag have 100,000 rhinestones in it. 5mm bags of resin have 30,000 rhinestones in it. Then I have these pink 5mm resin rhinestones. Oh, and I am excited. I'm excited about all of this, but I'm excited about these. I'm really excited to use these silver. These are silver plated. That's like in the jelly family as well. So I think that's going to be really pretty. And then I have these sky blue resin 5mm rhinestones. I have these fuchsia. These are like a darker pink. So this is like going to be like a fuchsia or a dark rose color is I think what they call it. So these are 5mm. I'm excited about using those. I have more pearls. I think the reason why I have so many pearls is because this particular vendor, you have to buy 2 bags of each color and in each size. That's just their rules. So some vendors have different rules than others. And I know from my last video, a few of you were asking about the vendors that I use. And I do put a lot of time into researching to find the information and to get the best things, and I have samples sent out. I've been on this journey for like over a year, but I've been buying rhinestones for a long time. I want to say all my life, but I've been buying rhinestones for a long time. And certain information you just don't give out for free. So I will have a vendor's list available. Once I have that list available, then I'll let you know all the details, because I use multiple people, because some people have different color charts. Like one vendor may have these gold chrome color looking pearls and another one may not have them. Somebody may have these ombre colors and another may not have them. So I have to use multiple people. So I have more of these ombre color pearls in 6mm. And then let me tell you a little story about this too. When you ordering like this, I always ask the seller to send me a photo. Like most of them don't mind. Send me a photo of all my stuff laid out on the floor at your warehouse. And just snap a photo so I could just see everything. So I could just kind of look in the picture, zoom in and see everything. Because believe it or not, I am missing 4 bags of rhinestones. And I was really heated because this was a $500 order. Majority of it was shipping. But yeah, $500 order. We finally got things squared away. Hey, baby girl. And they did apologize. But they said, okay, we'll send you the other 4 bags when our holiday is over. So I don't know if you know or not, but it's Chinese holiday. They said, okay, we'll send it to you in March. Okay, it's February 1st. I have to wait a whole month to get my other 4 bags of rhinestones that I already paid for. But I'm glad they at least admitted to not putting them in here. So, and I knew immediately because I was really, really excited about those colors because they're colors that I'm low on and that are my favorite. So that's one little tidbit for you right there. These are emerald 5mm. And a lot of these colors I already had, I just didn't have them in 5mm. I had them in 4mm. And I like 5mm a little better. It just depends on the project. And I think these are just super cute. These are like an olive green color. So I can't wait to try those out. Red is a very popular color. Red sells quite a bit. So once you figure out what colors are selling the most, you want to double up on that or make sure you have plenty of it. I have 1 bag of mainly most of the stuff here. Like 2 bags of the pearls because you get less anyway. But when when you become like a big dog, you'll have maybe like 3 or 4 or 5 bags of one color. But I'm still working on organization and storing things. And I'll show you a video of that as well. What I'm storing my rhinestones in and where I'm putting them. Because right now they're kind of like all over the place. But yeah, so I have some more pearls. And this looks like this is about a 6mm pearl. More ombre pearls. And yes, these do come in other colors. They didn't have a lot of these to choose from. But these really caught my eye. And then I honestly think I had other colors. I could have swore I ordered some yellow. That's just a thing too. You have to really, really, really be deeply, deeply in communication with your vendors. Because, you know, there's a language barrier there. And sometimes communication gets crossed up. It just does. So here's a few more bags of 8mm white AB. More of the olive green color, because I don't see myself ordering that many olive green, but okay. And then more silver. So what I'll be doing too, I'm going to be putting together, I have a little jelly kit. It comes in like a little container like this, but I'll have one for pearls available eventually. I have one of these with pearls. Also keep in mind, when you're reaching out to your vendor and doing your research, there's like a 10 to 12 hour difference in the time zone. So it's not like I'm doing this research and it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon here. No, I am up at 3 a.m. sometimes talking to these people. It kind of starts about, let's say, 9 p.m. here. If you're Eastern time zone, you can call over there and start speaking to people. Well, not call over there, but you can start messaging and get messages right back. But if you're like in the daytime hours, no. They'll message you when they get up over there. So it's been a lot of 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., sometimes 5 a.m. my time reaching out to them. So just consider that as well if you're going to do your own research. Okay, so just letting you know that I have this. This is just a little inventory haul. I just love rhinestones and pearls, and I know there's some other people who love this type of stuff as well. And other people, some of you expressed to me that you want to start selling rhinestones and pearls or what have you as well. And then those of you who are interested in purchasing, I'm gonna tweak this a little bit. I think it may have too many pinks. These are different pinks, but I'm gonna swap some of these colors out, but I will have something like this available. So this would be something convenient for someone who wants to try different colors out, different sizes of pearls, but don't want to purchase all these different type of bags of pearls. So yeah, but thank you all for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did like it. And I do appreciate you guys for watching and subscribing. I'm almost at 4,000 subscribers, so that's amazing. And just stay tuned for my other videos of me embellishing things and doing some DIYs. And subscribe if you want to. If not, that's cool. But thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye.